What's up, guys? Today we're going to test how much wear and tear and age plays a part in total longevity and power output in a battery. I have 5 batteries here, differing in age and wear and tear, that are all the same battery number. The first test will be an endurance and longevity test to see how long the battery lasts. The second test will be a total power output by each battery. And the winner of this competition is going to go on to my next video, which is comparing the brand new PowerStack DeWalt battery technology.
The 5 batteries range from 2017 to 2020. A fun fact, if you want to know when DeWalt batteries are made, it's the year followed by the week in the year that it's made. So number 5 would be the 7th week of 2020. I did all I could in this test to reduce the variables, so I drained all the batteries and then put them on the same charger and let them rest overnight. Just for fun, I grabbed the voltage off of them before I started. My leads were just a little too big, so I used dimes in its place to speed it up. Okay, here we go. I won't show it every time, but I did use a fan and my thermal camera to make sure that the blower cooled down before the next battery was put on. I did take readings of the voltage for any of the nerds wanting to know what they were after I discharged the battery. I then recharged the batteries and let them cool down before taking them outside. For this test I used an AC Delco torque adapter to get my readings for torque. Number 1. $312. Just to make everything fair, I made sure that the drill was cooled down to under 80 degrees before trying every battery. $335. $338. $344. Didn't register. So my torque adapter is only rated to be accurate between 300 and 3,000 inch-pounds of torque. And this battery, for some reason, didn't even hit the 300 torque minimum, but I wanted just to keep trying until I hit something. So this number I read out is pretty much bogus. 321. Just for fun, I wanted to see how much torque it took to remove the bolts. So I slowly backed it out until it broke loose and got the highest torque rating. Sorry for the focus issue in this video. I got a $500 camera lens and I don't even know how to use it yet.
403.
So, which one am I using to compete against the power stack? I don't know if it was my testing or what, but that's obviously no good, number 5. So I picked number 4. DeWalt claims that this battery has 50% more power than this. So in my next video, I'm gonna test that. But make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I come out with that video.